Welcome to Cartechhome channel. Please like this video, click on the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell down below to stay updated every time we post our latest video. Now, let's get to the video. On this video we will show you the things you need to check before going in a travel. To easily remember the things you need to check before going in a travel, just remember the acronym BLOWBAG. It's B for battery. Check the battery fluid level. On a fillable type battery, the electrolyte or the water and acid mixture must remain at least 1/4 inches above the battery separator plates. For the maintenance-free battery, look at the sight glass to know the battery state of charge. White or colorless means you need to replace your battery. Green means you are good to go. Red means charge the battery. L for lights. Check all the lights, ensure that all lights are functioning properly. Check the headlights, fog lights, third brake lights, reverse lights, turn signal lights and hazard lights are functioning and are not broken. O for oil. Check the engine oil level. The engine oil level must be between the minimum and maximum range on the dipstick. If the oil is below minimum, add oil in the engine. W for water. Check the water level. Please keep in mind, never remove the radiator cap when the radiator is hot. Ensure that there is enough water on the radiator and the radiator is no leak. The water level must be up to the neck of the radiator. Carry extra water for emergency. B for brakes. Check the brake fluid level. Ensure that the brake fluid level is within the maximum and minimum range on the brake fluid reservoir. The reservoir is usually located atop of the brake master cylinder. A for air. Check the tire air pressure. Tires should be in proper inflation pressure and in good condition. The recommended inflation pressure can be found on the tire inflation pressure label. The label is usually adhered near the driver's side door. G for gas. Check the gas. Ensure that you have enough gas for the trip. E for engine. Check the engine. Check for unusual sound, unusual vibration, oil leak and others. T for tools. Check standard tools. Make sure that there are standard tools on the vehicle. Tools for changing a spare tire, early warning device and others. S for self. Ask yourself if you are fit to drive for the trip. Ensure that you are in good condition. Also, ensure that you have enough sleep to drive. Be safe. Be smart. Be defensive. Make sure you're in good condition to drive. Thank you for watching Cartechhome channel. Please like and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and get updated for more upcoming videos from this channel.